So today, let's extrude some text while keeping the ability to edit it. So here I have a simple text that I just made with the type tool. And before extruding the text, I suggest to give the text a color because the effect does not come out well with black text. A light text color will give a more visible effect. So now to extrude the text, we need to select the text box like this, not the actual text like this, but only the text box. Then we simply go to Effects, go to 3D and go to Extrude and Bevel. Here we can start off by checking the preview button right here. And now we have a bunch of different options in this window, and let me guide you through it. So in the top section of this window, we have the position. This is where we choose how the text is angled. And we can angle the text in many different ways. First, we can select from the drop down right here, where we have a lot of options. Then we can simply rotate it manually right here. Or if you have a specific degree, you can type them in right here. And this perspective box right here will play around with the perspective. I haven't personally ever used this, so just set this to 0 unless you want the effect. Then we get to Extrude and Bevel, and this slider right here is where we can choose the depth of the extrusion. So simply type in the depth right here or just use the slider. And to the right of this slider we can choose the cap. This mainly just means if you want fill or just a hollow shape. So either this or this. And if we turn this a little bit, we can see right through it. For now I will set it to solid. In this drop down right here we can set the bevel shape, and here we have a lot of options to choose from. I sometimes use rounded, but mainly I just use none. Right here on surface you can choose the type of surface that you want. Maybe for some reason you want no shading, or simply use the plastic shading like I do. Down right here we can adjust the lighting. So we can pick up this small spot right here and we can play around with the lighting. And we can even add some more lights right here and move these around as well. And down here we have a drop down called shading colors, and here you can choose if you just want a black shading or you want a custom color like this. And here you can set all kinds of colors that you like for your shading. And actually I forgot to tell you that to get the bottom part of this pop-up right here, you might need to click this button right here that says more options. This will give you all the lighting options. So when we are done, we simply click OK. But because the 3D effect is an effect, we can still edit the text and add more or less letters like this. And that is how we extrude text in Adobe Illustrator CS6. And now you can watch this next video that YouTube recommends for you.